Hello all, welcome to the SurveyPod tutorial playlist. This playlist deals with the smart features. In this video, we will see how to download the results. Open the SurveyPod app and then enter your account. Now, go to the Wi-Fi and then connect the Wi-Fi inside the app. Here we can see it's connected. Now, go to the File Explorer. Here we can see the IP address and click on Connect to reach this screen. Also, you can enter the same IP address in your laptop's web browser to open it there. In order to download the files, go to the download section. Now select your desired project from the drop down. There are two types of geoid model, EGM96 and 2008. Choose your desired model. Also, if you have the recording file, then you can download the recordings too from here. And now click on download all to download the files. The files will be downloaded in a zip format. Extract the files. Now go to the extracted files. You can see that there are three formats in which the data is available, which are CSV, DXF and KML file. Now we can open each file format. DXF files can be opened using this app, DWG Fast View. Here, if you can zoom in, you can see the points. Next, we will see the KML file. Install Google Earth in your mobile to view the KML file. Once the file is opened, you can see the points overlaying the base map. Finally, open the CSV file with the help of a CSV viewer. And here you get the details of the points. You get the latitude, longitude in degree, minute, second format and decimal degree format. Also, you get UTM coordinates and much more information from here. With this, we come to the end of the video. I hope now you understood how to download and view the results. And thank you for watching the video.